Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Martinez. Today's art project is going to be to create a shaving cream print, and these are the supplies that you'll need. You'll need a can of shaving cream, you'll need food coloring, you'll need a toothpick, a piece of white paper, and some type of thicker cardboard or like a credit card or any kind of plastic card that you can use. You can see I've got my messy plastic mat underneath with the faces on it, and I also have a cardboard mat on top. This is an extra messy project, which means we're gonna get messy. This project will stain you, the food coloring will, so please make sure you've got on an art shirt or an apron, your sleeves are rolled up, and you're ready to get your hands and fingers a little bit messy. Let's go ahead and put the supplies I don't need to the side because I'm going to just get started with my can of shaving cream. So what I'm going to do to begin is take the shaving cream and I'm going to spray a rectangle of shaving cream on. I do not need a lot of shaving cream. It comes out fast and I don't want to waste my shaving cream because I want to save my supplies and do this project over and over and over, right? So I just need a little bit of shaving cream. I've got some spots in there that didn't get some shaving cream, so I'm just gonna take my toothpick and I'm gonna smooth out my rectangle of shaving cream. I want my shaving cream big enough, as big as my paper, okay? So I don't need it any bigger than that because I'm eventually going to put my paper right on top of my shaving cream. I'm just filling those holes in with my toothpick. Again, it doesn't need to be perfectly flat, doesn't need to be perfect at all. I just need that shaving cream covering the same space that my paper does. I'm just gonna wipe my toothpick clean on the side of my cardboard, set my toothpick aside. I'm going to take my food coloring. This is the part that will stain you. See my stains on my fingers. I'm used to it. I have paint and food coloring on my hands all the time, but you probably don't want that. So just be careful. I'm gonna start with my orange and I'm gonna put some spots of food coloring throughout my shaving cream. You can see I'm moving around the rectangle. I'm not putting all one color in one place. I'm kind of mixing it throughout the rectangle. I'm gonna do the same with my red and I'm gonna do the same with my blue. And you see again, I'm moving it all around that rectangle. I'm not using colors in any one spot. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my toothpick and I'm going to very gently make a few lines in my shaving cream. I don't want my toothpick to touch the bottom of my cardboard. Again, I'm very gently running it through that shaving cream to make a design. I'm using different lines. I'm doing horizontal, I'm doing vertical, I'm doing diagonal. You can see I'm creating this pattern. When I'm done creating my pattern, I'll take my paper. My paper will go right on top of the shaving cream. Very gently, I'm going to press that on. I'm not going to slam my hand on there. I'm going to very gently press my paper on. When it starts curling up, I'll take it off like so. I will set it down and I've got all that shaving cream. My cardboard I will use to scrape that shaving cream off. And this is the design I end up with. The direction I scrape in is what my design will look like. So you can see I scraped in two different directions and that's what I ended up with. Now I'm gonna use the same shaving cream and draw a simple design and do a second print. Again, gently patting that down. When my paper curls up, I'll peel it off. I'm going to set it down and scrape it off, this time all in one direction. And this is the shaving cream print I end up with. Make sure all my shaving cream's off. And this is my shaving cream print. Have fun making it this week.